Okay, once you've got this section, we turn it off, we come back, we're checking all the time, we're coming back and we're making sure we've got it right to the exact mark right on there, so the zero is right on the 10, and then we know we've got that right down to 10 mils. Okay, so we're getting each of these sections correct. Now we've got to do an angle at each of those, a 45-degree angle, and we're going to reset this machine at the bottom here to do an angle. So we'll fix that up in a minute. We're going to loosen these screws here. Remembering the machine is now turned off. We can move this back a bit, give us a bit more room. We're going to loosen these two screws. I'll just move you back, zoom out. Okay, so what I'm doing is loosening this screw and the same one on the other side to turn this to go with the numbers here. So we're going to go, it's 45 degrees, we're going to turn it half of that, which is 22. We've got a lot of debris here, which we need to make sure we've got rid of all this stuff down the bottom. Sometimes you need to clean it in a hurry, not bad just to get a ruler. Clean off as much of the stuff, and you must wear safety glasses at all times, because if you don't have safety glasses on, bits of metal can flick into your eyes. So you need to make sure this surface is clean so that it will work really well when we turn it, because we don't want to have little bits of metal like I'm getting caught in here. That one's now loose. One at the back, picking up a little bit of metal. Use this end. Loose. Now we can turn this. Okay, so now we want to do an angle. So as we wind across, as we wind this through, we want it to wind in and out this way, so we can actually have the angle we need.